the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms we have discussed here. sp3 hybridization. Nitrogen atom in amines is sp3 hybridization. Hybridized. You know what is hybridization? The electronic structure, electronic configuration. During the electronic configuration, 1s orbital, 2s orbital, 3p orbital. The 3p orbital, the s and p hybridization. There are three different types of hybridization: sp hybridization, sp1, sp2 hybridization, and sp3 hybridization. That is, let us discuss the hybridization in the next coming classes. Out of the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, 3 overlap with the orbitals of either hydrogen or the carbon. The 4th sp3 hybrid orbital contains an unpaired pair of electrons, hence amines possess pyramidal geometry. This is the unshared electron pair which has got a pyramidal geometry. Due to the presence of unpaired pair of electrons, the CNH or CNC bond angle is less than the normal tetrahedral bond angle, that is 109.5 degree. This is Bayer's strain theory. That is the higher chemistry. Don't worry about it. That is, if you go on studying the organic chemistry, higher studies, you can come across the bond. Bayer's strain theory is there during the study of bond angle. Okay, coming to this, depending upon the number of hydrogen atoms replaced by alkyl or aryl groups in ammonia molecule, amines are classified into 3 types. Now you see, this is the bond angle, 109 degree, 0.5 degree, 109.5. No, aromatic and aromatic amines. Amines are the organic compounds, you know that, derived from ammonia. So, the aromatic natures, the amines, they are used in petrochemical liquids. The aromatic amines are also used in the preparation of azo dye. Do you know, my dear friends, the term azo means nitrogen. That means azo dye means the dyes are prepared using nitrogen compounds, nitrogen organic compounds, azo dye. Now, resonating structure of aniline. My dear friends, what is resonance? There is a close relationship between resonance and the hybridization. What is hybridization? In the molecule theory, the atomic theory, the delocalization of electrons is nothing but resonating structures. It leads to the study of resonating structures because of the delocalization of electrons in a molecule. It may be aliphatic hydrocarbon molecule or it may be an aromatic hydrocarbon molecule. Coming to this one, resonating structure of aniline, the molecule that is aminobenzene. Benzene, you know that Auguste Kekulé structure of benzene is alternate double and single bond C6H6, the benzene ring. 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Out of which one hydrogen atom is replaced by amino group, that is NH2 group. So here ortho, para, meta positions of the benzene ring is very important to know. See, benzene ring is, this is 1, this is ortho position, this is meta position, and this is para position. This is ortho, this is meta, this is para position. So delocalization occurs in the ortho meta and para position. If you observe the first structure and the second structure, the arrow mark indicates the delocalization of electrons leads to the study of resonating structures of aniline. It is also hybridized state of molecules, which leads to the formation of primary amines, secondary amines and tertiary amines, my dear friends. So here from alkyl halides, how do you prepare alkyl halides? RX, that is R may be alkyl or aryl, X is the halogen atom, and RNH2 1 degree, then subjected to again alkylation. This is 2 degree R2NH and R3NH, and finally quaternary compound, this is R4NHX. So this is a very important reactions. This will be discussed in the forthcoming classes. From nitro compounds, nitrobenzene, or this one on reduction, you will get aminobenzene. And coming to the nitrotoluene, this is toluene, nitrotoluene. So this is subjected to hydrogen chloride in the presence of tin. Heat it, you will get a compound, intermediate compound, and finally you will get toluidine. This is aminotoluidine. That is aminotoluene. It's nothing but the nitro group is converted into amino group during the process. So from alkyl halides, now coming to this is already the same thing. It is repeated slides. This is another important diazonium salts of amines. My dear friends, diazonium amine or diazonium chloride. Di means 2, azo means nitrogen. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is subjected to different reactions. In the presence of CuCN, it is cyanobenzene. In the presence of hydrolysis, you will get phenol. In the presence of sodium nitrate and sodium bicarbonate and cuprous oxide, nitrobenzene. In the presence of HB4, you will get fluorobenzene. In the presence of CuCl, benzene diazonium compound undergoes so many reactions, you will get chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, and you will get iodobenzene in the presence of potassium iodide, and in the presence of phosphoric acids, you will get benzene. So benzene diazonium chloride undergoes so many organic reactions, leads to the study of the following compounds: cyanobenzene, phenol, nitrobenzene, halogen derivated benzene, and your benzene. So now quaternary ammonium salts. These are the important compounds, quaternary ammonium salts. You will get triethyl methyl ammonium chloride. This is the quaternary salt. So these are the questions for you for practice in your house. Thank you for listening. If you like our videos, please don't forget to press